fresh paint sure always makes a difference. Anyway, I repaired all this that was ate out with some fresh wood and painted it. This side as well. And then I painted here, and this is all painted, which this first coat is on actually. Gotta come back. First coat on. Oh, I'm not finished. I gotta get back there too. But everything up here, first coat, it's looking nice. Not sure yet what I'm going to do with this. I think I'm going to build onto it. They have some, like a liquid wood type thing. I don't know, but not sure what I'm going to do with the top of this yet. Thanks for watching.